Meet Anuj Mundhra, from earning a salary of 1,400 rupees a month to building a 43.7 rupees business in India. Where did it all start? Between 2001 and 2003, Anuj was working in a sari showroom in Jaipur earning 1,400 rupees every month. He soon realized that he couldn't sustain himself with the income for too long. In 2003, he quit his job and started a business trading suit pieces. Where did he purchase the suits from? He purchased the suit sets from vendors and sells them to other vendors and shopkeepers. When he started earning some income, Anuj opened his own block and screen printing units in Jaipur. This went on until 2012 when Anuj came to Delhi and saw huge hoardings of e-commerce marketplaces of Jabong and Snapdeal. He had a moment of epiphany and realized that e-commerce is going to be the future of shopping in India. How did he launch his business and which regulations and compliances are needed to start a Kurtis and Suits business? Anuj came back to Jaipur and spoke to a chartered accountant, CA, inquiring about company regulations and compliances. You might have to plan for 6,000 rupees to pay for the following license: trade license, shops and establishment license. He launched Nandini Creation in 2012 and branded the e-commerce offshoot Jaipur Kurti.com. Within the first year, the company clocked a turnover of 59 lakh rupees. What was his starting capital and where did he get it? He started the business with very limited resources. He got 50,000 rupees from close friends and later took a loan from a bank to grow his business. With his initial capital, he bought 10 sewing machines for stitching Kurtis and Suits. His wife, Vandana Mundhra, designed Kurtis, which were then dyed, printed, stitched and sampled in a manufacturing unit in Kartarpur industrial area Jaipur. Anuj was listed on Snapdeal and Jabong and started selling in-house manufactured items on these platforms. What was his main challenge? In the initial years, although there was less competition, the struggles to run an e-commerce company were immense. Today, his company manufactures and sells suits, Kurtis, and fusion wear and is a host of other apparel items. They also export to countries such as the UK, the US, Australia, and Malaysia among others. The average selling price for suits is 90 rupees and 650 rupees for Kurtis. Let his story inspire you to start your own Kurtis or Suits business. Just like him, you don't need to start big. You can also buy suits and Kurtis from his company and sell to other shopkeepers and vendors at a higher price. Harness the power of social media platforms and e-commerce sites to market your products. Remember, we are here to learn, make money and invest. Don't forget to share this video, it might help someone looking for a business to venture into. Till next time, goodbye and good luck.